Traders.net. That's one. That's the one that we told you about. That's the one that you traded. You did a good job. I can say you did. They beat by 15 cents. Cloudflare beat estimate range by 25%. Let us not forget that, trader. You asked me about this position, and I said, yeah, you can go ahead and take it if you want. Um, the call options are going to pay you. So revenue was up 87.77 million from the same period 1 year ago. We can see that we hit a high of $115. That is the breakout on the 15-minute. Now we're sliding back and we're pulling back. This will be on our long list so that when we do pull back, we're going to buy the dips. That's exactly what we're going to do with this. So the calls will be inflated. Don't pay up on the retail price. Wait for the call options tomorrow to come down and then choose your entries and get in and make some good money. Once again, Tommy Trader here for all traders that trade for us. Once again, you need trading capital. We'll go ahead and fund your trading account. Let's just take a look that tomorrow when you go to get your entry, you must let the call option put the high price in, and then when the calls drop $4 or $5 off of the high, that is when you look to make your engagement. Once again, it's a pleasure.